The journey of life begins with a single moment, conception. A tiny spark ignites, setting in motion an incredible transformation. Within hours of fertilization, the single cell, now called a zygote, begins its astonishing journey of division. Through rapid cell division, the zygote becomes a morula, a solid ball of cells still traveling towards the uterus. By day 5, it transforms into a blastocyst, which then implants itself into the soft lining of the uterus. By week 3, the neural tube begins to form, laying the foundation for the brain and spinal cord. And astonishingly, the tiny heart begins to beat, a faint but steady rhythm of new life. By week 4, the embryo takes on a curved shape, with the first signs of limb buds appearing. Week 5 brings the beginnings of facial features, with tiny dark spots where eyes will eventually form. By week 6, tiny fingers and toes begin to form, though they are still webbed. The brain experiences rapid growth, forming billions of neurons, preparing for complex functions. Internal organs like the stomach and kidneys are beginning to develop, albeit in very basic forms. Though unfelt by the mother, the embryo starts making its first spontaneous, tiny movements. By week 8, the embryo is unmistakably human-like, with all major body parts in place. From week 9, the embryo officially becomes a fetus, marking the start of the fetal period. Organ systems continue to mature and refine, preparing for life outside the womb. Early reflexes, such as startling and grasping, begin to develop, though still subtle. The kidneys are fully functional, producing urine that is released into the amniotic fluid. As the first trimester concludes at week 12, all vital organs are formed, though still maturing. The second trimester begins with rapid growth, the fetus increasing significantly in size. Fine, downy hair called lanago begins to cover the body, providing warmth and protection. Taste buds are developing, allowing the fetus to potentially experience flavors from the amniotic fluid. The ears are developing, and the fetus can now hear muffled sounds from outside the womb. The skeletal system continues to harden, providing structure and support for the growing body. Sensory development flourishes, and the fetus starts exploring its surroundings by touch. The fetus develops distinct sleep and wake cycles, mimicking patterns outside the womb. Around week 20, mothers feel the first delicate flutters, known as quickening, as baby kicks. The fetus actively swallows amniotic fluid, practicing for digestion and nutrient absorption. The lungs continue to mature, with tiny air sacs, the alveoli, beginning to form. A crucial layer of brown fat begins to accumulate beneath the skin, vital for warmth after birth. At week 24, the fetus reaches the significant milestone of viability, with a chance of survival. Brain activity becomes more complex, developing distinct patterns for sleep and wakefulness. The eyelids separate and the eyes can now open and close, though the womb is quite dark. The fetus starts practicing breathing movements, inhaling and exhaling amniotic fluid. The third trimester begins, a period of rapid weight gain and final maturation of all systems. Many babies begin to turn head down, positioning themselves for the grand entrance. More fat accumulates under the skin, making the baby chubbier and better insulated for life outside. The brain continues its incredible growth, with the cerebral cortex developing complex folds. Antibodies are passed from mother to baby, building crucial immunity for protection after birth. Bones continue to harden except for the skull bones, which remain flexible for birth. The lungs are nearly fully mature, ready to take their first breath of air upon delivery. With less space, movements become more constrained but remain strong and active. All major organ systems are now fully developed and ready to function independently outside the womb. At week 37, the baby is officially considered full-term, ready for its grand debut. The baby is covered in vernix caseosum, a protective, waxy coating that aids birth and moisturizes skin. In these final weeks, the baby continues to grow, perfecting its systems and preparing for arrival. And then the moment arrives. A new life enters the world, a testament to nature's incredible design. From a single cell to a complex human, the journey inside the womb is truly miraculous. It's a testament to the intricate beauty and wonder of human development, unfolding moment by moment. A remarkable 9-month odyssey of growth, protection, in preparation for a new world. Cherish every stage of this incredible, hidden journey. It's truly a miracle in the making.